Okay, today the kids and I sat down and we made puppets out of some trash that we had laying around, and they have put together a puppet show. So here goes.
Okay. What about our commercials? Can we do that?
Okay.
Alright, here's the puppet show.
Okay. Oh, come on, here. Okay, no, my turn. Sir, the princess has been trapped by the Minotaur.
I must save her after I eat lunch.
No!
Okay, let's go.
Yeah!
Kill it,
Snake!
Goth.
No, I'll go first. Oh, snake!
Kill it, Goth.
Okay, yeah!
Good job.
Thanks.
I will cut off the Minotaur's head.
Wait. Do it! Wait, no, don't do that. Now
Her head fell off. It's okay. Okay.
Maintenance! Somebody fix the puppet's head.
Okay, when you're done, hope it's Hope's turn.
Okay. Fix the puppet head.
Oh, wait.
Right now, we'd like to give a shout out to our faithful crew who's always here, ready to help.
Know what to do now. Okay, your person. Get your person. Put your hand under her.
You're not supposed to. Don't show the stick side.
Careful, the head's gonna fall off again.
They kiss.
Where's the orange snake guy come in?
Oh wait, yeah. Wait. Dang, now we have to start over.
Start all over then.
Jason,
Go
away or I
I have to start over. That's
will. Jason.
Okay, we're gonna start over.